A long time ago, in a vibrant rainforest, there was a colorful parrot perched on a tall tree. Nearby, a curious butterfly fluttered around, admiring the beautiful flowers. One day, while exploring, the butterfly got tangled in a spider's web. She struggled to free herself, but the more she moved, the more entangled she became. The parrot, seeing her struggle, decided to help. He carefully picked at the web with his beak, and soon the butterfly was free.
Thank you, dear friend.
The butterfly said.
I was so scared, but you saved me. I hope I can help you someday.
The parrot chuckled softly. He couldn't imagine how a delicate butterfly could help him, but he was glad to have made a new friend. A few weeks later, the parrot found himself in trouble. A hunter had set a trap, and the parrot was caught in a cage. He called for help, but none of the bigger animals could approach without being seen. The butterfly, hearing the parrot's cries, rushed to the scene. Using her small size to her advantage, she flew unnoticed to the cage and found the lock.
The lock is too small. I can't trong over it. I need some help. Oh, maybe I can ask Gun for help.
She then guided a small ant to crawl into the lock and push open the mechanism from inside, freeing the parrot. The parrot was overjoyed and grateful. You saved me just like I saved you, he said. From that day on, the parrot and the butterfly became inseparable companions, always ready to help each other and share many adventures in the rainforest.
I hope you like the story. Have a nice day.